Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to double tap to turn on or off screen on Android phone. And the process is quite simple. First things first, you want to head over to the settings of your Android, and there are basically two places you want to enable this feature. You want to go over to the lock screen option from the settings of your Android, and then over here we have the double tap to wake or turn on screen when device is locked. You want to make sure this is actually enabled if it is not turned on or enabled. Keep in mind that for this to work, you have to be using a system theme and not some custom theme from the Google Play Store or third party. So once you've enabled it, you want to come out of this, and then secondly, you want to go over to the home screen settings over here, select that, and over here we have the double tap to lock screen. You want to just go ahead and enable it from over here as well. Now once you've enabled it in these two places, you can now try it out. So you can just double tap on your screen and it is going to lock, and then double tap on it again, it will now turn on. For those that do not have the double tap to turn on or off screen on the settings of their Android, you can just go over to the Google Play Store of your Android phone and then just search for double tap to turn on screen or off screen. And once you search for that, you should be able to find tons of applications that would do the same thing on your Android. Choose any one of them and activate it on your Android and you're good to go. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.